Good evening, crypto fam. This is a crypto recap for Tuesday, March 11th. I'm still very sick. I don't think I'm going to do the pre-market video, but the pre-market is going to be very important for tomorrow. That is, we have CPI data, and that is the most important thing at the moment. That's definitely going to rock the market one way or another. Either put us in a bottom, and it comes out an hour before the open. So be on the lookout for that. That is, and PPI on Thursday. So those two things I've seen absolutely rock the market in both directions. So they're the most important things at this time. Anyways, Bitcoin dominance. We're just at this upper resistance right now. People are still trusting their money in Bitcoin rather than the altcoins. That's not what we want to see. We're right there right now, so we'll see if that breaks tomorrow or right now actually. Bitcoin seeing a bit of a bounce now. Oh, yeah, bit of a bounce today so far. We need to break the high of yesterday. So we changed the 1 hour trend. We need to change this 4 hour trend. I wouldn't really call that. We need to break this level. So we'll see if we can shape up an inverse head and shoulders. So that's good that Bitcoin's at least showing some strength. This is obviously the most important level that I'm watching is 73,000 to 69,000, just this huge volume area. That is a very important level if we backtest and hold it. And I just have this feeling that they want to bring us there, the bears anyways. So that is kind of what's on my watch. But if we can change the 4 hour trend, that is the first sign that we could be heading back bull. And overall, as long as Bitcoin is holding above the 12 EMA, I don't have it, but we are above it still. 12 moving average. No, it's just all right. Anyways, but yeah, we are above the 12 moving average still. We just tapped it down here, and we're just right by it right now. Yeah, as long as it's over the 12 EMA, I'm happy, and I will remain bullish on the long term of crypto. But obviously, there's names that are 100% from their all-time highs. So Bitcoin still has to go 30% to get back to its all-time highs. That's quite a big move you have to do. We're down 24, whereas like Ethereum. This is why I would be focusing on Bitcoin rather than Ethereum. I know a lot of people like Ethereum, but it's just so far from its all-time high, and it did not make a new all-time high on this overall move. And we could stay choppy in this for a very long time. We're just looking for a monthly higher low than 1,522. We lost this equilibrium, so that could be a big caution here. And we might end up going down to this level and just hanging out in that giant range. And we could stay in that range for years. So it's not Ethereum. A lot has to change for me to get interested. Not that it can't, but I mean, I would have to see. I would only play it if we can get up to new all-time highs. That is the only situation I will play Ethereum. XRP, we're closer to all-time highs. Seeing support here from the 200 moving average. We're still holding above that big panic low there, 177. So we need to see the 4 hour trend change on every one of these names. Whatever names are closer to changing their 4 hour trend are the stronger names at this time. BNB is definitely a stronger name. We're not as far from its all-time high. I keep mentioning this name just because it's the same as or down 30%. Sorry, but that's better than down 50% or whatever from its all-time highs. So XRP or BNB, sorry, we have a defined neckline now. Now we need to get over this. We've set the 4-hour higher low, but we're just having a bit of trouble here trying to break this neckline. That is our neckline though. Solana, this is just one of the worst names. I know a lot of you guys love it, but not that things can change. Like just when Trump did that message and everything went up, rallied, not that things can't change, but we are 135% from all-time highs. And it's just, it won't interest me until it is at all-time highs. There's better names than Solana set up, barring any news. If there's news, then obviously things might be treated differently. And that's what I'm not a comfortable feeling. I don't like banking on news, like hoping for news and just hoping things work out for me. I want to have a little bit, Ondo down 60%. So yeah, it's over 100% on the way back up. Same with Link, very weak. Change the 4-hour trend is step one. We need to set these weekly higher lows because these are pretty much straight drops down. Quite significant. And a 4-hour trend change would be our first indicator that we are putting in a weekly higher low. Sui, just got this 4-hour inverse head and shoulders potential. Nothing changes until we can get above this resistance though. We have to set that, break the neckline, break this resistance, and nothing else changes until then. XLM, a little bit, where are we relative? Yeah, I mean, we're down pretty far from all-time highs. 58% down, that's not ideal. Now we've opened up this giant range here. We need to see a 4-hour trend change. Cardano, now we've got this big equilibrium potential, but we still have to set a daily higher low than 0.581, and we need to see a 4-hour trend or an hourly trend change is the start. So we did get the hourly. Now we need to see this 4-hour trend change, and that would give me more faith. I know there was good news about Cardano, but unless it could all be faded. Like something has to change here. Dogecoin, same thing, needs its 4-hour inverse head and shoulders. And now we're just looking for a monthly higher low than 0.08. Yeah, we have a bit more room to the downside, and this is pretty rough. We didn't make it to our previous all-time high, so there's huge resistance on Dogecoin. Oh god. And yeah, I would be expecting a lower high on the way back up, and then we just tighten up if anything. And there's such a huge range here. So not a good look on Dogecoin right now. Hbar potential. Hbar has potential, but oh man, yeah, it's so far from its all-time high. It has potential of holding its the monthly 12 EMA. We're just looking for a monthly higher low than 0.0412, and we have lots of room. There's lots of room to the downside potential. We didn't make it to all-time highs, so it's pretty rough. Mochi, same thing, looking for its monthly higher low, but we are coming to its all-time lows. So this would be a lower risk area as far as making an entry and having a closer stop, but it's so weak overall. Change the 4-hour trend. Looks like we're trying to do that. Trying to do that right now. We're trying to break this resistance anyways. Alpha, trying to get its bounce underway. Has a 4-hour inverse head and shoulders. Need to break this resistance. Caspa, we did break the resistance. Our daily bounce is underway. We need to see more follow through. Need to see more follow through than this. And yeah, make as much room as possible so we can set a daily high or low. We're looking for a daily low or high than 9.0945, and we need to make as much room as possible so we can set up a daily inverse head and shoulders at this point. That would be the first sign of a turnaround and trying to set this weekly high or low. All right, yeah, that's it. I'll go over Trump. No, Trump's just weak. It's fading this entire move. Change the 4-hour trend. Need to get over this high at least. 1157, and yeah, we're just being guided down. Sustained selling. All right, I will probably not be here for the market tomorrow or pre-market, but that's why the next 2 days, an hour before the open, huge data is coming out, and there's going to be huge swings. I feel this is it's going to be tough to trade here in the next couple days, and I'm just hoping that this puts in a bottom, a temporary bottom, and we can see how big of a bounce we can make. Otherwise, we are at risk of potentially another leg down if the data is not perceived well. Okay, I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.